Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to find out more about me, feel free to watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video. Now today I want to play for you theme, that is the A1 piece composed by Thomas Atud from the Piano Exam Pieces ABRSM Grade 1 for the 2019 and 2020. Yeah? Now, let me play this one for you. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and... I want to play this one also slowly. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and... Et voilà! Thank you very much for watching, and obviously if you have any question, feel free to comment, to ask me, and I will be very happy to help. Thank you for today. See you, bye!